Hello guys, welcome back with the second regular puzzle. Second regular puzzle is a Sudoku Heavy in the daily newspaper of Friday, September the 15th, 2022, and I've already solved one puzzle, the Sudoku Light, and it's time for the second one, the Sudoku Heavy. And the news of today, I've told you Russia has announced the annexation of southern Ukraine. They voted there, the people there, and they want to belong Russia. Uh, and we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve later on. But first, this Sudoku number 5255. 5255. Yeah. 5255. Let me see. Before I start, I always count up printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. If I compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 3 stars. For a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So is this really a 3 stars? We don't know. We will see if this is really a 3 star. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 ones. We have here 4 twos. Okay. We have here 3 threes, 2 fours, 4 fives. All right. 2 sixes, 4 sevens. Wow. 2 eights and 2 nines. So the twos and the fives and the sevens are in majority. Let me see if I can start with the 2. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the third column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2 in this row. So no 2 there. 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next, so that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So that row, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. Here 2 in that column, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. How about the 5 then? The 5. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this second column. No 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the last row. No 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column. No 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the first row. No 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. How about the 7 then now? 7 is 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then, well, I cannot continue with the 7 now. Not true. Not true. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, so no 7 there. Here, 7 in the middle row, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there, we see a 7 in the last column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there, we see a 7 in the third row. No 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there, we see a 7 in this column. No 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 3 and number 7. Okay. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, and 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 6 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in this big square. So no 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here, here, or there. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. Here 3 in the middle column. So no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Alright. Okay. Well, I cannot continue with the 3 now. How about? I'm thinking. 5, 6. 6 is also trouble. The 6 is a troublemaker. And the 8. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the last column. No 8 in these 2 boxes. Here an 8 in this row. No 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8, 8. Okay. 8, 3. Yeah. No. We have a 3 here. Let me think. The 9 in the last column, the 9 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. We have a pair, I believe. The 9 and the 8 in this row, the 9 and the 8 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 2 places left for the 9 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 9 and the 8. 9 and the 8. So 1 digit left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 box left in this column, the last column for number 1. 1, okay. 1. Yeah. 8. I'm thinking 3, 3. 6 is missing and the 4 is missing. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4. Thinking. 4. 4. 1. Well. 1, the 3, the 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6. And look, we have a 3 and a 6 in this column. So no 3 and a 6 in this box. The 3 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 6, 3 and 6. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 2 boxes left in this third column for number the 1. 2 is missing. No. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 9, 9. Then 8 in this column. 8 in the last column. So in the column between, only 2 places left for the 8 to be here or there. We see an 8 in the second row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6. We have a 3 and a 4 in the second row, so no 3 and a 4 in this box. The 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. 6 in the last column. 6 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Okay. Then 6. Okay. We have a pair, I believe. 6 and 8 in the third row. 6 and 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. So we have a 6 and 8 here. So these 2 boxes should be 3 and the 4. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. 2 boxes left. We have a 4 in the first column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. Okay, 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in the middle column. So no 4 there, 4 should be there. Okay. Yeah. Let me see. 4. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. And the 9 is missing, 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second row. No 9 there, 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Okay, 1. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. 1, 2, 1. 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in this column, first column. So no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. So we have a 6 in the first column, 6 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in this row. So no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 here. I've marked those 2 boxes. Earlier with the 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have an 8 now in the first column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Find no 2 numbers in this big square for the same numbers, I believe. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Wow. Faster than the Sudoku Lite. Cannot believe this. But we solve it again. But is this really a 3 stars? No. 2 stars? No. This is really a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again later on with the other puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.